Hello guys, today I will show to you how to make this effect in Photoshop. The original image like this to become like this. This effect doesn't work for small canvas, so I use a big size of canvas. I use this size 300 ppi, so you can choose a big size of canvas to this effect. The material link in the description below. It is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. Pay attention to the hint of shortcut and the written message at the bottom of the screen. First, open the file and then copy by press Ctrl J. Convert to smart object so you can edit again later, and then filter gallery, hit in view. So first I delete first to explain to you. First I use grain, the grain here the grain texture grain, and I use this setting. And then I add some effect. Now I use sketch stem and I arrange the setting. I go to the grain, I think this is good. Okay, and then I use gradient. Where is gradient? Here it is. I use the basic gradient. Oh, not gradient fill. I think color vibrance, clarity, brightness, curve. Oh, gradient map. Sorry. Gradient map. And then I change the color of the white become orange, or you can use another color. Me, I use orange. Okay, I think this is good. And then you can brush to the eye. I use this surf to give a grain effect to the gradient of the masking. Now I make new layer, and then I fill with edit fill. I fill with gray, 50% gray. Okay, and then I convert to smart object so I can edit again later. Then I use filter gallery. I change the stem become halftone pattern, but first fit in view to see all. In the halftone pattern, change the pattern type to line. Arrange the size. I think this is good. Arrange to overlay. You can arrange the opacity of the line effect. Okay, I think this is good. And here is the new features of Photoshop. You can auto rename, apply. So it rename the layer automatically. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you.